Wearing saris has become quite a global phenomenon nowadays. Wearing saris to office is also very trending. In this video, I will be showing you different types of saris priced between 2 to 10,000 which you can wear routinely for your office or which you can wear for your office or corporate events. Stay tuned till the end of this video. Hello everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. The first type of saris, specially for office wear, is Kota Doria. Now, Kota Doria is basically a cotton fabric. Doria means strands or threads that run through each other in warp and weft, which forms a beautiful checkered texture in the fabric. Now this, because of the checkered texture and its pure cotton fabric, this is a very breathable form of fabric or breathable sari, super comfortable, very light in weight. You can wear these saris with printed blouses, you can wear these saris with crop tops, you can wear sleeveless blouses, you can wear t-shirt blouses and style these saris in a very versatile manner. So yes, Kota Doria is the first type. The second variety, especially Pratha has a beautiful range in this particular type of saris. It is Baha silk. Baha silk is basically a type of silk cotton sari, a very beautiful, again very breathable variety in saris. Now these saris have chumki in them, as these Bengali weavers call them. It is basically sequins, very small fine sequins woven along the sari. These saris are plain, they don't have any borders, they are very light in weight. There is no need to use a lot of safety pins when you actually drape these saris, and hence they are very easy to carry. So Baha silk or Baha chumki is the second type of saris for office wear. If you are going to wear saris to office, one tip from my end will be you can choose linen, cotton or silk cotton. These are breathable fabrics, they are very comfortable when you wear them, they are light in weight and hence you can carry them throughout the day long. Now this variety, the third type that I am showing, is tissue linen. Linen saris, if it is pure linen, they might tend to crush a lot, crumple a lot when you wear them throughout the days. However, if it has zari in it, it will have a nice shine. It will give it a trendy touch to the otherwise very matte finish linen sari, and it looks very beautiful. You can choose to team up these saris with again different blouses, different printed blouses. You can wear kalamkari blouses, you can wear block colored contrast blouses with these saris. They look very pretty. Also, if you are going to be on the stage or if you have a special meeting wherein you want to wear a slightly dressy sari, however you want it super comfortable, tissue linens will be a perfect choice. The next variety that I am showing for office wear saris is this beautiful Munga cotton. Munga cotton has different prints on it. However, this particular variety at Pratha has beautiful lace attached to it, just like a small delicate border, and it has a nice embroidered pallu. So embroidery is something that you can choose for office wear saris. Embroidery which is thread work, which does not have any zari, will look very elegant, especially for your corporate events and corporate occasions. So yes, this is our Munga tussar. I had worn Munga tussar for one of my exhibitions throughout the day in Nagpur. It was a hot day, super working, super tedious day, and I did not even feel any bit of discomfort while I wore this sari throughout the day. The next and my favorite is Maheshwari saris. Maheshwari saris come in a huge variety of designs. You can choose plainer Maheshwari saris for office wear. You can choose a color palette which is pastels. You can choose intense colors, completely depending on your office environment. You can choose to wear different kinds of blouses, right from sleeveless blouses to full sleeves blouses to crop tops. It will look very elegant. Also, Maheshwari saris are a blend of silk and cotton. That's why they are very breathable and comfortable. Prints also have different varieties. There are prints like kalamkari, there are prints like bandhani, madhubani, but digital prints is also a very beautiful type of prints in saris. We have at Pratha especially, we have a beautiful variety of pure linens with digital print on them. This is very beautiful for office wear. Usually you get pastel colors in these saris. They have nice tassels, they are very comfortable. Also, these particular linen saris are not transparent, so they are very easy to carry. You can wear them on pants or leggings as well because they are very light in weight. So this is another variety, digital printed linen saris. The next variety is saris in semi tussars, in munga tussars, in semi munga cottons with beautiful embroidery done on them. Now these sarees, if you see, they are very simple, although very elegant. You can choose to wear them at the simplest of office occasions. You can wear it for your daily office wear as well. They are very light in weight. They look very rich, they look beautiful. Completely depending on your profession, you can choose these sarees with embroidery as well. Now for those who don't want to wear cotton, don't want to wear linen, want something silky, something shiny, this is a perfect variety for you all. So this is modal silk. I have beautiful Bandhani sarees here to show you all. Bandhani is another very indigenous craft of India. It's a very beautiful art and it looks very pretty on cotton, on georgettes, on silk, on any kind of fabric. So these are modal silks. Modal silk is a very good fabric, especially for carrying throughout the day. It does not get crumpled easily. It doesn't look worn off. It looks as fresh when you wear it till the end of the day. Also, these sarees, if you have a special presentation, or if you have some festivities in the office, or if you're going to be on stage for some purpose, or if it is an inauguration function or some kind of a special occasion for your office or for your team, Bandhanis in modal silk are a beautiful choice. Now this next variety is one of my favorites. Once again, this is ikats. This is hand woven ikat made in silk cotton. Again, these are silk cotton sarees, so they are very light in weight. However, Coimbatore silk cotton is slightly on the stiffer side. It will get draped very nicely, but doesn't get crumpled easily. So it's a very beautiful choice. You get nice zari borders in silk cotton ikats, or you get ikat borders as well. These are beautiful colors combinations. Also, one important fact about silk cotton ikats is that these sarees look very classy and corporate because there is no zari or there is no butta element in these sarees. However, they are bright in color. So if you are somebody who likes brighter colors, then silk cotton ikats is a great choice for you. You get orange, yellows, pinks, nice fresh blues, parrot greens. You get a lot of vibrant colors and you can play around with the colors as well. So what my tip for silk cotton ikats would be that you can wear nice trendy jewelry, thread jewelry, big pendants. You can wear colored bangles, you can wear colored kadas with these sarees. They look very nice. You can also choose to wear nice bold silver jewelry with silk cotton sarees, especially in silk cotton ikats, because they don't have any golden zari element in them which will clash with your jewelry. Coming to the last type of sarees that I want to show in this video is for special occasions in your workwear. So when you have certain conferences, or you're going to be on the stage, like I said, if there is an inauguration function, or if you're presenting a special project, or if you are going to head a particular event, then these kind of silk sarees look great. So these are pure soft silks. They come in very subtle, sober colors. Also, they come in darker, intense colors. Especially single colored soft silk sarees are a great choice for office wear when you want to look dressed up, but you still want to look very sober in terms of, it shouldn't look very traditionally festive. It should look festive or dressed up, but it has to go with the office environment. So these are sarees which you can team up with silk contrast blouses. You can wear brocade blouses with these sarees. You can wear nice silk ikat blouses, digital printed blouses. They look very pretty with these sarees. They have a nice shine which pure silk has. However, they don't look traditional. So pure soft silk sarees in single colors without borders is a great choice. So this was the variety of sarees that you can choose to wear as your office wear or work wear sarees. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please remember, we have a beautiful store here in Pune which you can come and visit. We have a huge variety of sarees for you all, for gifting, for weddings, for any festive occasions, and also for your work wear wardrobe. Thank you. Keep watching. Also mention in the comments what all topics would you like me to cover in my further videos. Thank you.